Hey guys, it's CryptoDeek over at LunarSatoshi.com, the cryptocurrency trading hub community and bot. A lot of people know us for our bot, our market scanning bot, but we're much more than that. We've got a Discord community of 600 members and growing daily. We have expert calls, and we teach you how to trade cryptocurrency. We're patient. We're good for newbies, and we're also good for veterans. We're highly active, and we're there to help everyone learn, and we work together to make the best trades possible. What I wanted to do today is go over our bot a little bit, how to read the signals and how to act upon them. I've been getting a lot of questions about that and a lot of requests for a video. What I want to do real quick right now is tell you a little bit about our bot, our market scanning bot. What it does is it scans Binance and Bittrex. The scan takes place every 10 minutes, and it looks for multiple technical analysis signals that me and Captain Crystal have figured out to be quite, lucrative. And they usually result in a 10 to 20%-ish pump in about 7 hours. That's what we're seeing on average with the bot. Its positive signals usually go about 10 to 20%. Depending on the coin, and it's usually about 7 to 10 hours to take place, the full trade. So it's more of a scanning bot. It's not a bot that's going to tell you exactly when to buy and when to sell. You're going to have to be able to do your own research, and you're going to have to understand a little bit about technical analysis. Nothing fancy, but you want to be able to look at a chart and be like, okay, yeah, I should buy this. Instead of, basically there's false positives on the bot. It's impossible to 100% accuracy predict the market, so there's always going to be a signal that turns out to be not the right signal. So it does require a little bit of research, but it's pretty good, I would say that. Let's hop in real quick and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay guys, so I've logged in. I'm here on the Trade Finder bot page. You can get to it right here in the top left. And what we see here is we see coins around Bittrex and Binance that the bot has recently scanned and says, hey, I think this could be bullish soon. I've got some trading signals. They're all looking bullish for the time being on these bots, on these coins. So this is the benefit that the LunarSatoshi bot gives you. Instead of going through the hundreds of coins out there, this will scan both Bittrex and Binance and find that, I don't know, right now we probably have, what is that, 10 coins? So it scanned the hundreds of coins on Bittrex or Binance and found 10 coins to say, hey, you should look at these. These could be a lucrative opportunity for you right now. So quickly we can see some metrics. We can see that this is on Bittrex. It doesn't have any upcoming events, so catalysts. There's no catalyst with this one. It was found about an hour ago. The price we found it at was this. The price right now is this. So in an hour we're up about 1% on it. Some more coins we can scan through here. Last check, so the last run that found this was 7 minutes ago. 2%. Let's see, what can we find here? Let's look at dynamic Bittrex. Found 12 minutes ago. It's sitting around right around the price. So we can click here and we can jump a little bit into deeper detail. Pull up a trading view chart here. We got a little bit about the coin, current price, its market cap, its rank is 419. If there are any upcoming events for the coin, they're going to be displayed here. We can take a quick glance at some technical analysis signals here. So right now, right off the bat, I'm seeing that the Stoch RSI has been oversold for quite some time now, and it's about to start turning up. So the bot found this call about 12 minutes ago, so it could be anywhere inside this candle, or maybe even in this candle. And who knows, where the Stoch RSI might have been down here at the time. So it's starting to turn up. This is one that I would actually take a deeper dive into and look at and see if it went somewhere. It's right there. There's your free call. By the time you watch this, it probably won't be relevant anymore. But I'm going to watch this. I'm going to see how this does. I'll post an update if it turns out to be a pretty good trade. It does look like it went up a little bit. One that we found the other day that I wanted to show you, I tweeted it out. The bot found this 23% call on sub right here. So you can see right here it was found right about there. pumped about 25% in about, let's see, 8 hours. So right around that average, I said 7 to 10 hours. We can come in and we can look at some signals that we could have looked at when this was happening to see if it was right. And we could have seen, just like dynamic, the Stoch RSI was about to turn up a little bit. And also right here you can see on the MACD that it was about to come up and start climbing that hill again. So that would have been a good tell to buy right here. So I know what you're thinking. Oh, he just revealed the secrets. It's the Stoch RSI and the MACD. No, you're wrong. I mean, maybe the Stoch RSI plays into it, but there's quite a bit technical analysis going on in the bot calls. So yeah, that's a quick look of how to use the LunarSatoshi bot, the market scanning bot, along with the LunarSatoshi. It's $50 a month, which is fairly cheap compared to most groups. It comes with the Discord group where me and Captain Crystal and all our other premium members are chatting and talking about other coins that aren't being called by this. And we're making a lot of money. So you should join us. Come hang out with us. Let's make some money on cryptocurrency.